Grind coconut meat pudding. So yummy. Coconut pudding. This is coconut pudding. So yummy and delicious. Coconut pudding. Coconut pudding. Coconut pudding. So yummy and delicious. Coconut pudding. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings. So yummy and delicious. So yummy and delicious. Thank you, Lord. After I take away the coconut milk, this is the coconut meat. So I make it a coconut pudding. Coconut pudding. So delicious, yummy. Thank you for all your support in my YouTube channel. You are the part of my success in my YouTube as a content creator. Thank you to all over the world, all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you for your unwavering support. God bless us always. God bless you all and your families. Stay healthy and blessed. God is always good to us. His blessings is always overflowing. Stay healthy and blessed. Keep your heart close to God, and His blessings will always flow in our life. God bless to all my dear friends in all over the world. Thank you for your unwavering support to my YouTube channel. You are the part of my success in YouTube as a creator, content creator.